Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and a creative pancakes and make your breakfast fun for your kids. I'm going to start with my dry ingredients, adding 1 cup of wheat flour, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. It's a powdered brown sugar. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a pinch of salt. Now comes the wet ingredients: 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I have used unsalted butter as I've already added a pinch of salt. And I've taken 1 cup of milk. Add the milk in batches and mix them gently. Do not overbeat it. The consistency of the batter should be thick at the same time pourable. I'm going to allow it to rest for 10 minutes. This is a very important step here. The baking powder has reacted with the other ingredients. This will give a fluffy pancake. The pan is on a medium heat. Once it is hot, pour the batter. Spread the batter lightly with the back of the ladle, but the pancake should be thick enough, so do it carefully. Keep the flame low and cook one side till you see the bubbles all over the pancake. Now flip it. You will see the top is golden colored. Cook the other side for few seconds and remove it in a plate. I'm going to make some more pancakes in a similar way but in a smaller size. The pancakes are ready. Now it's time to shape these pancakes into your favorite animals. Top it with maple syrup or just with honey. These pancakes are not so sweet, but they are soft, fluffy and healthy eggless pancakes made using wheat flour. Thanks for watching my video. Please press like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more kids recipe.